Yan. Mystic Seaport, welcome to Historic Mystic. Yan.
Meron tayo
Kung kailan ka nasa highway na gusto kong...
Meron sumusunod sa akin kasi ate, binubusinaan ako.
Mystic Seaport.
Gusto mo huminto?
Hindi.
Maglakad ka?
Oo.
Gusto mo?
Yes.
Grenade.
Isang bahay lang ito? Laki-laki naman.
Dali, babalik tayo ulit.
Mystic
Pag-ikot
Seaport.
mo.
Ang yayaman, para palang Corinthian.
Doon sa ano, sa parkingan,
Doon?
yes.
Okay.
Right before the museum. Dahan-dahan ka lang. Kasi I will not be able to capture them if you're driving at 5 miles per hour. Ganun lang.
Baka magalit yung pulis eh.
Walang pulis dito. Wells Fargo.
Advisor.
Meron pa bang Wells Fargo?
Ano ba kinukuha natin dito?
Kaya mo siya.
Ay! Magagalit yan ah.
Ito, door parking. Naiinitan.
Nakatira rito sa mga to. Parang Atlantic City.
Meron nga, tatlo yung kotse. Hindi sabihin, pati yung kotse, hindi rin ginagamit.
Any wife?
Wala daw nakatira din eh.
Bisita pala yun. Yan ha.
Pero pag seryoso po siya, serious boys.
That's the Mystic.
Dalihan mo ha, para hindi tayo gabihin. Just go around.
Mystic Seaport.
Ayun o, magandang parkingan.
Uy, yun o.
Right, baby.
Lalamig sila.
Right, baby.
Wala eh.
We're now here at Mystic Seaport. Tao lang sa sarado eh. Sarado yung mga shops at saka
Ay, wala na tayong pinasok na open ha.
Hindi, bukas yung visitor center. Kaya nga nakakuha ko ng mga maps at saka eh. Pero hindi ko pinasok yung gallery at saka yung museum kasi may bayad. Pero nakita ko yung mga boats at saka may mga exhibition area. Bilis. Mystic nga yun.
Mystic yun eh.
Mystic River. Mystic River's on the other side. They will show you how you build boats at saka
Sean Penn, tsaka si...
Hanggang Boulevard, turn right.
Kuya doon, mas mahal ang gasolina.
Stay clot. Tama
Kung saan
yan.
ang turn? Right or left?
Old Mystic Village. Imagine fantasy gifts. Ito, Mystic Christmas, oh. Mystical Christmas. All the stores are closed. This is the cinema. Old Mystic Village. But all the stores are closed because it's a Sunday. The Playhouse, Cornerstone Playhouse. This way to Angel Heaven, Raven. There's a nice gazebo. The Old Mystic Village Town Hall Administrative Office. What is this? More shops. And there's the meeting house in St. Matthew's Anglican Church. Ang daming ducks. The duck pond.
Right.
Old
Then
Mystic
take the second
Village.
right.